Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Noob Coders. Today we would be solving TCS Explore community question, or the question that has been posted in TCS Explore practice question. This would be a typically 15 marks question in the upcoming IPAs, or these are the types of question that has been asked. Okay, so let's solve this, and we would be doing this in Java. So this question states that we have you have been given a array, and we have to find the sum of odd integers in that array and print it only if the sum value is greater than 8 and less than 50. Now we have been given an example of 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7, which are all odd numbers, and it should be printed at 16. So the output should be printed as 16. So let's code this. Yeah. So first of all, we would create an array of size 4. Then we would run and loop over it to take the inputs from user. So after taking the inputs, we have to again create an variable that would store the sums. So integer sum that would be initialized to 0. Then we would run an for loop over the array that we had created. Now there is another thing that you can do. It would optimize the code. Is that you would check the conditions after getting the input only. Directly after getting the input, you can check the conditions that if it is odd or even number. But we would not be doing that, since it would get it would be complex and it would be difficult to understand for people who don't have basic idea, or you don't have any good understanding of programming. So we would be checking that whether it is an odd number or not. So if, since we have to find odd numbers, so that won't be divisible by 2, and we would be storing it at sum. All right, so we have created some variable. We have ran through the array again. So j, and if that element mod 2, or if that element is not divisible by 2, then we would be adding it to the sum. Now since we have got our sum variable, now we would be checking. Yeah, so now we would be checking that if sum is greater than 8 and sum should be less than 50. If such is the case, then we would print out, then we would print sum, else we would be printing, else we have to print na. Now let's see if this runs properly. Okay, we missed a semicolon. All right. Yeah. Now we have to give the inputs. So input would be 1, 3, 5, and 7. that would give us the value of 16. You can test it with your own input as well. Thank you guys for watching. More videos coming out on Java, especially on Java. Also, I would be putting videos on Python too, so that it would help you guys to crack the IPA. Thank you guys.